A quick Qualtrics tutorial. All you have to do is type in office.com and log into your Regis Office account. You'll see a page like this. If you type in Qualtrics, you'll get this link. Mine blocked it for some reason. I don't know why. But now I'm here. Then I'm going to have to, it just wants this information from me. I don't know why. That's fine. That's all fine for me. Then it takes me to the Qualtrics website where, you know, it's not really that complicated, but let's just say create a new project. I'm going to do that. And you have various options here. There's a lot of things you can do. Learning how to use a program is really simple, but if you're using Qualtrics, you're using it for a survey. Get started. I'm just going to call it practice project because I'm just showing you all how it works. So essentially, right, all you do, so you see it started with a question. Let's just say, like, for your study, you should put instructions and all that. And you can insert those types and I'll show you. But let's just look at a basic question like, are you happy? Look what it has like AI going too. So it's like, oh, definitely not. Probably might or might not be. Probably yes, definitely yes. That kind of helps you out too sometimes. But that's very, very simple. Essentially, you can add a new question. Click Add New Question. Do you want it to be a text entry? Do you want to be text or graphic? A matrix table? Those ones are like kind of complicated, but you can play around with them. Sliders like 0 to 100%. Form field you might use. You're probably not going to use a rank order or a side by side, but what you can do is you can just kind of click it and enter your question, right? Like, here, I'll look at this matrix table. So sometimes you get like these checklist questions. I currently feel sad, happy, angry, right? And then what you can do here is you can change your number of scale points over here on the left. You can change your number of statements. You can add labels. I don't want that label. Mobile friendly. You're gonna, all sorts of options you can click. We're not asking you to do anything too major. Strongly disagree. And look, it fills it out for me because AI is pretty smart. So, I always capitalize the disagree, but since they're not, I will just kind of. Oh, they're doing like a somewhat disagree. You'll use the labels from your scales, but you can see how easy this is, and you can have a scale kind of finished in no time at all. Once you get it completely done, like if you program your whole experiment in here, you can publish it and you can get the link. It's not that hard, but let's just sort of see. I just want to go my distributions. Let's see what I'm going to do here. Click that little distributions part right here. And then get a single reusable link. So I can get that link once I'm done finishing it. But here, I'll show you that process in a second. I publish it. Yeah, it's a horrible questionnaire, I know. But essentially this is super easy to use. Nothing big. I can copy this link, and then if I just go here, you can see the survey itself. Um, there's also preview that allows you to see. Preview's pretty good. I didn't mention that, but you can click preview at any time. And of course, it's not working right now for me, but that's fine. Maybe it's over there. Maybe that's my preview. Here, I'll click out of that and click preview. Oh, it's blocking pop-up windows. So if you have that, just whatever. I don't know why it's blocking my pop-ups, but that's fine. That's interesting. Um, okay, cool. And once I click that button, it allows me to see the pop. You can see they're all popping up right now. But yeah, like, if you have the same problem I did, just figure that out. Now, that's basically it. You make all your questionnaire. If your experiment is text based, like the whole thing, like if it's like instructions and writing and so forth, you can do all sorts of things. There's one thing I didn't mention here. Add a page break means that the questions will show up on a different page. So you'll see now just one question will show up and so forth. But this is really just trial and error. Make it look nice, make it look pretty. It's not super difficult. You just type in your questions and make sure they look okay. If you want multiple questions on the same page, you can use Matrix, right? Looks really good for a psychological scale. Should be in and out in no time. Not a problem at all, okay? So that is your basic Qualtrics tutorial.